Hey everyone, Chief Meteorologist Tom Miners here for WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News, recording this video on this later hour of the Monday morning. Rain is still falling in many parts of West Tennessee, but starting to let up a little bit. Let's talk about how much has actually come down. First thing I want to show you here is the amount of rain that's actually been estimated by radar from Friday morning to this Monday morning. As much as 7 inches is estimated to have come down in northern Chester and southwestern Henderson County. This is actually exactly what I heard from a viewer in that part of Huron, Tennessee, and southwestern Henderson County. She actually got a little bit more than that, and some of the radar estimates may be a little bit off, but that spot was hit especially hard, pretty much right around the Madison, Chester, Henderson County area over the last few days, and some parts of Carroll and Gibson counties too have certainly got a lot of rain. So where we're talking about all that excessive rainfall is really a big deal, because we can actually use a program from the USGS that will trace where that rain is going to kind of run off into, and determine where we're going to see some of the rivers rise the highest. And it looks like that's going to be over parts of Madison County, as we're going to be dealing with some river flooding here into Crockett County too. This is part of the fork, really the South Fork of the Forked Deer River. Northern Madison counties are on the Middle Fork, so we'll be watching that too. But you can see that a lot of where that rain fell traces down into parts of Henderson, western Henderson County, Beach Bluff, and then ultimately through parts of Madison County. In terms of those river forecasts from water.weather.gov, you can see the South Fork of the Forked Deer River is expected to rise close to 34 feet in height total, and about 18 and a half feet there for the North Fork of the Forked Deer River in western or eastern Dyer County there near Dyersburg. But both of those spots are definitely getting hit hard. The O'Bine River too, so we'll be keeping an eye on that. But the Forked Deer River in Jackson, the South Fork, is forecast to rise to about 34 feet sometime tonight or tomorrow morning. At that point, businesses along Westover Road are affected by the floodwaters. So that is something to watch here in the next couple of days, even next several hours. That's going to be something that I end up talking a lot about in your next look at the forecast on WBBJ. Monair and Corrales and Brian are all working to keep you posted on social media, but I'm going to be summarizing rainfall totals from the weekend. One of the top 10 3-day periods for wettest weather that we've had in the month of September, and definitely kind of in the top 5 for events that were not associated with a tropical cyclone. So that's going to be something to talk about too, as I'll try to summarize this for you. And we've got more rain coming. All that and much more is coming up in your next look at the forecast on WBBJ.